Alright, we got the WELLBALLER powered by innovation. This is the pump that will pump up your sports balls. So like it has a setting for a soccer ball, your volleyball, your football, and that's a custom setting. The basketball, I'm going to do the soccer ball. We have the USB cord, and that's going to go right there by the hose. We also have, because everybody always loses these, you get two of them. I'm glad they included that. You also get a bag to put all your stuff in. I have this nozzle attached to this. You also get an air nozzle to put that on there. So yeah, so now this obviously you see this is inflated. So let's push the button. I turned it on, and you can see it's starting to inflate. And so yeah, it's gonna need a little bit more. And so I had to clean it out because it had Play-Doh in there. So yep, now we just kind of started over again. You can see it's starting to inflate up, and so I think it's at a good spot. Let's turn it off. And so yeah, we're good. Now it's inflated up and ready to go. So thank you to the WELLBALLER for giving me this. Now I can inflate up the balls and we can have fun in the summer. All right.